Do you know the special spice that can help you dissolve mucus? What is mucus? Mucus is a slippery, gelatinous substance produced by the mucous membranes in the body. It is found in various parts of the body, including the respiratory and digestive tracts. This substance is made up of water, glycoproteins, enzymes, and various cells, creating a protective barrier. Why is mucus produced? Mucus production is a natural and essential process for maintaining the health of mucous membranes. It acts as a lubricant and a protective layer, trapping dust, bacteria, and other potentially harmful particles. The body produces mucus as a defense mechanism to protect the respiratory and digestive tracts from infection and damage. What is the function of mucus? The primary function of mucus is to protect and lubricate. In the respiratory tract, mucus traps airborne particles like dust, pollen, and bacteria, preventing them from reaching the lungs. In the digestive tract, it helps in the smooth passage of food and protects the lining of the stomach and intestines from digestive acids and enzymes. The impact of mucus on respiratory health. Mucus plays a critical role in respiratory health by trapping and expelling foreign particles from the respiratory system. However, excessive mucus production can lead to various respiratory issues. When the body produces too much mucus, it can become thick and sticky, clogging airways and making it difficult to breathe. This condition is often seen in respiratory infections like colds, flu, bronchitis, and chronic conditions like asthma and COPD. Excessive mucus can also cause persistent coughing, sore throat, and a feeling of congestion. It can harbor bacteria and viruses, leading to secondary infections. Therefore, managing mucus production and keeping it at optimal levels is crucial for maintaining good respiratory health. What is the special spice to dissolve mucus? One of the most effective natural remedies to dissolve mucus is dry thyme. Thyme has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its various health benefits, particularly for respiratory issues. What is thyme? Thyme is an herb from the mint family, commonly used as a spice in cooking. It contains a compound called thymol, which has powerful antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. These properties make thyme highly effective in treating respiratory infections and reducing mucus production. Thyme acts as an expectorant, helping to loosen and expel mucus from the respiratory tract. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe irritated airways and reduce coughing. Additionally, thyme boosts the immune system, helping the body to fight off infections more effectively. How to consume dry thyme? Drink it or chew it to dissolve mucus. There are two primary ways to consume dry thyme for dissolving mucus. Drinking it as a tea or chewing it directly. Drinking thyme tea. Preparation. To make thyme tea, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of dry thyme to a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for about 10 minutes, then strain and drink. The benefits are: drinking thyme tea helps to soothe the throat, reduce inflammation, and thin the mucus, making it easier to expel. Chewing dry thyme. Prepare it by: take a half of a teaspoon of dry thyme and chew it thoroughly. You can swallow it or spit it out after chewing. The benefits are: chewing dry thyme releases its active compounds directly into the throat, providing immediate relief from congestion and helping to break down mucus. You can also do both and see if it works better for you. Drink it or chew it. Are there side effects to consuming thyme? Thyme is safe for most people when consumed in moderate amounts. However, some individuals may experience mild side effects like stomach upset or allergic reactions. If you have a known allergy to thyme or other herbs in the mint family, you should avoid using thyme. It is also advisable to consult with your healthcare professional before using thyme as a remedy, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or have any pre-existing health conditions. Mix thyme with lemon juice and raw natural honey for better results. Combining thyme with lemon juice and raw natural honey can enhance its mucus dissolving effects. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system, while honey has antibacterial properties and soothes the throat. Preparation. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of dry thyme to a cup of boiling water and let it steep for 10 minutes. Strain the tea and add the fresh juice of half a lemon. Stir in a drizzle of raw natural honey. Drink this mixture 2 to 3 times a day for optimal results. How to enhance this mix's effects. To further enhance the effects of this thyme, lemon, and honey mix, you can incorporate the following practices into your routine. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep mucus thin and easy to expel. Steam inhalation. Inhale steam from hot water infused with thyme or essential oils to loosen mucus and open up airways. Humidify your environment. Use a humidifier to keep the air moist, which can help prevent mucus from becoming thick and sticky. Eat a healthy food plan. Include plenty of low glycemic fruits, high-quality proteins, healthy fats, vegetables, and fluids in your diet to support your immune system and overall respiratory health. By understanding the role of mucus in the body and utilizing natural remedies like dry thyme, you can effectively manage and dissolve excess mucus, leading to better respiratory health and overall well-being. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, understanding the nature and role of mucus in our bodies is crucial for maintaining optimal respiratory health. Mucus, while often seen as a mere nuisance, plays a vital protective role. Produced by the mucous membranes, it acts as a lubricant and a barrier against harmful particles, such as dust, bacteria, and viruses. This protective function is especially important in the respiratory and digestive tracts, where mucus traps and expels foreign particles to prevent infections and maintain smooth operation. However, when the body produces too much mucus, it can lead to respiratory issues. Excessive mucus can become thick and sticky, clogging airways and making it difficult to breathe. This situation is common in respiratory infections like colds, flu, bronchitis, and chronic conditions such as asthma and COPD. The resulting symptoms, including persistent coughing, sore throat, and congestion, can severely affect one's quality of life. Therefore, managing mucus production is essential. One effective natural remedy for dissolving mucus is dry thyme. Thyme, a herb from the mint family, contains thymol, a compound with potent antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. These properties make thyme particularly effective in treating respiratory infections and reducing mucus production. Thyme acts as an expectorant, helping to loosen and expel mucus from the respiratory tract while its anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritated airways. There are two primary ways to consume dry thyme for dissolving mucus. Drinking it as a tea or chewing it directly. Drinking thyme tea involves steeping a teaspoon of dry thyme in boiling water for about 10 minutes. This method helps soothe the throat, reduce inflammation, and thin the mucus. Alternatively, chewing dry thyme releases its active compounds directly into the throat, providing immediate relief from congestion. To further enhance the effects of thyme, it can be combined with lemon juice and raw natural honey. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, boosting the immune system, while honey has antibacterial properties and soothes the throat. Mixing thyme tea with lemon juice and honey can significantly enhance its mucus-dissolving properties. For optimal results, it is recommended to drink this mixture 2 to 3 times a day. Additionally, staying hydrated, practicing steam inhalation, and using a humidifier can further aid in managing mucus production and maintaining respiratory health. While thyme is safe for most people, it is important to consume it in moderation. The recommended amount is about 1 teaspoon per day, divided into smaller doses if necessary. Some individuals may experience mild side effects, such as stomach upset or allergic reactions, especially if they are allergic to herbs in the mint family. Consulting with your healthcare professional is advisable before using thyme as a remedy, particularly for pregnant or nursing women or those with pre-existing health conditions. Incorporating these practices into your daily routine can help you effectively manage and dissolve excess mucus, leading to better respiratory health and overall well-being. By understanding the role of mucus and utilizing natural remedies like dry thyme, you can maintain a healthier respiratory system and improve your quality of life. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, please be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.